The essential understanding for this lesson is when objects are grouped in sets of tens and leftovers, counting the groups of tens and adding ones tell how many there are in all. Numbers can be used to tell how many. In a standard numeral, the tens are written to the left of the ones. Previously, students found that decade numbers are composed of tens. In this lesson, students describe two-digit numbers to 99 as a number of tens with some left over. This problem is key because students model and describe a two-digit number as groups of 10 and some left over. Listen and look for students who use cubes to show the number 34, but have difficulty finding how many groups of 10 there are and how many are left over. One way that you can help these students organize the cubes into groups of 10 is to provide them with 10 frames. Have them fill as many 10 frames as possible. These students should now be able to describe 34 as 3 groups of 10 with 4 left over. Listen and look for other students who separate 34 cubes into as many groups of 10 as possible. They find that they made 3 groups of 10. Then they count how many cubes are left over. 4 are left over. So Tara can use 34 cubes to make 3 groups of 10 with 4 left over. These students demonstrate an understanding of how to group objects into sets of 10 with some left over. This prepares students to write standard two-digit numerals to tell how many are in groups of 10 with some left over later in this lesson.